advanced medicine example. So besides unplanned downtime remediation, in this case, they also have expenses associated with damaged equipment. So for anybody who is not familiar, cavitation in high-speed filling of carbonated soft drinks production lines, it's the formation of those CO2 bubbles, and when they have a difference in pressure in the pipe, and there is a sudden drop in pressure, the bubbles implode, causing damage of the pipe or the pump impeller. So the equipment gets damaged. So it's not just downtime that they have to deal with. And what we're going to show you is with these boxes again, we have developed for this ProveIt conference the GPU-based MQTT Broker, which is a HiveMQ extension. And it is able of consuming 26 million messages per second. So if you think about it, this is like drinking from a fire hose. When that happens, we filter out the noise and we forward the rest of the valuable messages to HiveMQ so you can do whatever you want with it. If you want to adjust your production, if you want to stop your production, it's all your choice at that point. And if you want to show the funnel, yes, the latency Eugene is showing me is measured in nanoseconds here. If you look at this funnel, once it refreshes, yes. So it shows you that we get millions of messages in. We give you the way to configure conditions, the rules of saying, I'm only interested in these messages, the rest of the messages you can drop. So it reduces the number of messages. Then there's deduplication. So if you have a value of 80, 80, 80, 80 going, and then it changes, we're going to try to show you only the value that changes. And then we're forwarding the messages to HiveMQ, which for this demonstration, we rate limited at around 8,000 messages per second. So that allows you then to detect problems in manufacturing at high speeds and act on them.